Why add distilled water to the car battery? Alright, there's this question: which of the following fluid will be suitable for a vehicle's battery? A. Pure water. B. Treated water. C. Distilled water. D. Injected cleaner. The correct answer is distilled water. And so the question is, why add distilled water to your car? This is what happens. It's because of electrolyte composition. Car batteries rely on a mixture of sulfuric acid and water, that is the electrolyte, to facilitate the chemical reaction that produces the electricity. Over time, water in this mixture evaporates during the battery's operation. Adding distilled water helps to maintain the correct electrolyte level in the car battery. Why distilled water and not regular water? Distilled water is used because it's free of impurities and minerals that can harm the battery by causing sedimentation or reducing its capacity. So if you use just ordinary water, this sedimentation will happen in the car and will spoil the car. Now, what you need to know is to avoid plate damage. Now, insufficient electrolyte level can expose the battery's lead plate to air, causing them to degrade and reduce the battery's efficiency and lifespan. You'll know that the distilled water level is low in the battery if the battery electrolyte level is below the top of the lead plate, or you see any dry plates through the battery casing. You need to add distilled water. If you don't know this, you go to the mechanic shop and you'll be charged $300 or $3,000 for this. You must make sure that you add the water to the battery when it is cool. The pipe water is not distilled water. Take note of that. The pipe water may contain chlorine and other minerals, some that are used to kill germs and others to prevent them from sedimenting. Alright, this is Seekers Driving. So this week what we are looking at is driving instructions or driving theory instructions that can help you to write your driving examination or theory examination and pass very well. As a driver, sometimes you may already know how to move a car, but possibly you don't really know how to drive, or you don't even have the theories of driving. The theories of driving help you to have idea as to what to do, when to do it, what not to do, and when not to do certain things. So we'll be taking you through some of the examination questions and the interpretations attached to them, so that you become a defensive driver and you know exactly what to do, when to do it, and where to do it exactly. Before we leave, let us ask you, when a roof rack is not in use, it should be removed. Why? Why should it be removed? Alright, so subscribe to our channel for the series that is coming your way.